So you clicked on the video because you were intrigued by my thumbnail. Well, you must be my doppelganger because we're both about that life. Comment down below, I'm here for it. If you about that action. Change is good, babies. Change is good. So, diving in. Most of these store-bought cereals have just as much nutrition as the box they're sold in. Here are 3 ingredients that will be the best crunchy cereal replacement, and your body, especially your gut, will thank you. Try to get organic fruit if possible. I've been having trouble finding and affording real organic fruits. FYI, everything in the organic section isn't organic. But check out my 2-second guide on how to spot the fakes and afford the goods. Link down below. Now, we are going to start by cutting and gutting our papaya. Now you can wash and air dry the seeds and use it as a healthier replacement to peppercorn. Some of the benefits you can get from papaya contents are actually improves gut and rids parasites, detoxes your body from bad radicals like blue light, reduces menstrual pain, aid with diabetes, has fiber, magnesium, copper, and vitamin A. And get this, it has 2 grams of protein. For all you people who always ask, so where do you get your protein at? I'm just gonna try my best to cut this into bite-sized pieces without cutting off a finger in the process. I wanted to show y'all cutting produce isn't as easy as these other chefs make it out to be, but practice makes perfect, and we're gonna get there, all right? I do want to just warn, if you are pregnant or nursing, this dessert or breakfast will not actually work for you until you are done. Now, to add to the crunch in this dish, the pomegranates are the star. Pomegranates are actually a more common fruit, and most people are aware of its benefits, so I'm not going to overwhelm you with too much information in this video. But cutting and gutting a pomegranate is a messy process, so watch your walls and your clothes. No shame in getting down and dirty for digging for the gems, though. But if you made it this far, though, I just want to say thank you, because you the real MVP. So hit that like button down below to show me some real love, okay? Love is hard for people to give, but it's how we thrive, okay? Because we just trying to survive. Anyway, so once we add our jewels to the bowl, we're gonna squeeze our lime juice in there. Now, this is actually the ingredient that ties it all together. If you let it marinate longer, it's actually even better. So, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Not only is this a breakfast that can be meal prepped for the week, but it gives you a lot of energy to start the day. See you guys in the next one.